Hello, my ICT students. Anyway, this video is going to be on creating shapes. Now, you may be in your tabs booklet or just finished the tabs booklet and going to the displays booklet. It doesn't matter. I want you to start using shapes, all right? So every time you see the opportunity to use a shape, I want you to use it. So then I'm going to go over how to create your shapes. So first of all, I want you to go to Insert, and we're going to go to Shapes. And now I'm going to go down and I'm going to work with these ones under callouts. The square edges, the rounded edges, the balloon, the oval as they call it, and the cloud. Okay, so I'm going to start here with the rectangular one, and now watch. That's called the thin cross hairs. Those black crosses is the thin crosshairs. Now click, hold, and drag. Click, hold, and drag. Now watch. Do you see the yellow circle? And you see that white point there. Okay, that's like a picker. And come around, and you can move the arrow wherever you want. Okay, so I'll stick it there for right now. And I want you to type a message. You can say hi, you can say hello, whatever you want. And go shift home like you always do. And we're going to put a color on it. Size it up, whatever you think. Maybe bold and italics, but you can do what looks good. All right, now click on the shape again, and you see when you click off, there's nothing up here in the ribbon. When you click on the shape, you see Drawing Tools. Drawing Tools, Format. Click on Format. Now, with the shape fill, I know you get the default blue. I don't want the default blue. I want you to use any color that you want. And you can hover over them and look at the different colors that you can do. Okay, obviously you can't put red on red. That's not going to work. But you could have yellow on red. All right, so you chose a color. If you want more fill colors, you could go and say, oh, I want to go to standard here, and I want this green. All right, so that's going to be my color. Now, the next thing is the shape outline. Watch here. I want you to put a different color on, but I also want you to go to shape outline, weight. And I want to see a thickness that I can see. Okay. Now, of course, that gets pretty, but you may have something that works for that. That's okay with me. So anyways, something thick that I can see. I also want you to go to dashes. Okay. Now, here's your dots. Here are your dashes. Here's bigger dashes. Here's a mixture. Here's a longer dash and a longer one and a longer one. So I want you to play with that and each time do something different. So I'll go with the dotted ones for right now. And that's good. All right. Now I'm going to click off. There's no handles. Now there's handles. And remember, you always click off so that you don't lose this the next time you do something. All right. So now we're going to go to Insert. We're going to go to Shapes. And this time I'm going to take the round one, the rounded corners. Now, do you see my thin black crosshairs? All right, click, hold, and draw. Okay, and I'm going to say, how are you? Okay, and we're going to size it up. And I want to make a font color. Oh, maybe this time I'll go with green. Okay, doesn't look good on my blue, but I'm going to change the blue background. All right, I want to go here. I clicked on here, Drawing Tools, Format, Shape Fill. Now this time I want you to go to Texture, okay, and choose a texture of your choice. Doesn't matter to me what you choose, but choose a texture of your choice. And if you like purple, then go with purple. Okay, it's easy to read the green. Now, next, I want you to put on a weight on the outline, something that we can see. But I also need a color on the outline, maybe yellow. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I can see that. All right. And now, remember, this person said hello, and you came across and said, how are you? So that's pretty good. And if I click off, can you see the rounded corners as compared to the square corners? All right, make sure you're clicked off. We're going to insert another one now. We're going to Insert. we're going to go to shapes, and we're going to go to, I'm going to take the cloud first, okay? I'm going to take the cloud. All right, and now here on your shape fill, your gradients fit in pretty good, okay? Like take a look, you can make kind of a neat looking cloud, whichever way you like it. And I'm going to change the shape outline to a darker blue, maybe like that. And I'm going to go to a weight, and I'll choose a thicker weight. And this one I'm not going to make, oh yeah, I should use a dash on here, so I'll use a dash. So let's go to dashes, and maybe I'll choose this one, okay? And in here, it is a great day. Okay, it's a great day. All right, I'm going to go shift home, and I want to size it up a bit, and you know how to do that. Control right square bracket, and I'm going to size it up bigger than what it should be, okay? And on a home tab, font color, oh, I think I will try, maybe I'll try purple. No, I'm going to go get pink. So go to more colors, and I'm going to choose pink. All right, there's pink. So now take a look. You can drag the shape out so that you can see all the text, or you can drag the shape down. And we can size this any way we want. Now, use your corner handle always to maintain perspective, okay, and size it down. But because it's a shape, yes, you can do anything you like, up, down, however you want to go. So it's your choice of the type of shape that you want to make. Maybe you want to make it like that and bring it in like this. Now, take a look at the cloud and click on your yellow dots, and now you say it's a great day. How are you? Hello. It's a great day. And you see how I can drag that out? Maybe I'll drag it over here. All right, so now you have taken your bubbles over there. All right, that's good. Okay, we're going to do one more now. We're going to go to insert, and we're going to go to shapes, and we're going to go to the oval. I call it a balloon, but that's okay. It's an oval. And now this time I want to put a picture in here, okay? So I am still going to say, okay, hello, how are you? It's a great day. Enjoy the sun. All right, shift home, and I'm going to size it up a little bit, get a color. So font color, okay, I've used green. Okay, I'll use font color purple. Well, no, maybe I won't. I think I'll try yellow. Okay, try yellow. I'm going to go with bold and italics and size it up. Okay, so now this time what I want to do is I want you to put in a picture. So what we're going to do is go to Format. We're going to go to Shape Fill and Picture. Now, if you have a picture in your folder, you can go get it. If you don't, you can go to Bing. Now, when you choose a picture, don't choose one with, I'm going to choose flowers. Don't choose one with a white background, because when you put it on the white screen, it doesn't look good, okay? Or it's not the greatest. So try to find one that's full color. Like here, any one of these will look good. It doesn't matter, but one like this, that won't look good, and neither will that. So choose something that is solid, whichever one you're going to choose. So I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to insert it. And now do you see I've put the picture in there. Now, enjoy the sun. My yellow isn't maybe perfect, but that's okay. Now watch though. As you drag this out, do you see how the flower goes with you? So you have to be careful what picture you choose or how far you're going to draw the tip. Okay, so that's the piece that you've got to just always watch about when you put a picture. So if you use an animal, you distort them sometimes and it doesn't look very good. But at the same time, you can, pull your flower out according to what you want. Now, I don't think that that's a good one, so maybe I should have went with a purple color. Green. Oh, maybe that one's better. Okay, so anyway, those are the 4 shapes. Oh, I didn't do an outline. So on this one here, We want to go to Drawing Tools, Format, Shape Outline, and I'm going to choose, I'll choose the same green, and I'll go to Weight, and I'll choose a weight that you can definitely see. All right, so there's what we have. Enjoy the sun. So there's your 4 shapes, and you've learned how to do those. All right, so we're going to save this. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to go to Browse, and of course I want to go to my, hold on here, I got to get my right drive here. I want to go to my name, my U drive, and I want to go to ICT slot 4, and I want to go to tabs. I'm going to put it into tabs, and I'm going to call this one my first name, just like usual. Lee, put in the current date for me, you put in the current date for you, and we'll call this one Shapes, Creating Shapes. All right, Creating Shapes, and now save it. All right, that's as far as I'll go here because I'm almost out of time. So each time now when you come to do an assignment, I want to see at least one shape with something different in each one. All right, save your work, stop there,